So today I'll be showing you guys my slime collection. These little boxes, my cousin gave me these slimes, but the rest is mine. So yeah. So if y'all guys didn't just go check out my other video, please go check that out. Please, 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 it'll mean so much to me. It's how to make giant slime, or making giant slime. Here's half of it. My other cousin has it, which is Justine. She's the one who gave me these slimes. Shout out to Justine for giving me these slimes and getting ingredients to make one giant slime. This is half of it. The other half is with her. She has foam beads in hers, but I didn't really want to do that, so I just kept it. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys my slime collection. Let's get on with the video. So, I'm going to grab this chair. It's about to be 11 o'clock at night. So yeah. So we're going to start off with these small slimes. So I did name some of them. Oh, this is a container that I have. So any more than okay. Wait, this one's a container. This one I call lavender. On camera it shows up like a really weird color, but it's like really lavendery. It's like a very purple. Oh, okay, there we go. It's a very pretty color. And plus it looks like lavender, so that's also why I call it lavender. Oh, you know what? I'll be right back. It'll take me like a second. Okay, I'm back. So I wanted to do like a little ASMR for y'all guys, so I got a little musher. This one might be a little bit too small to do it with, but yeah, this one's a little bit too small. I'll do it with the bigger slimes. Okay. So I'm just gonna take the stuff off that's on the. I'll do that later. Okay. So here's lavender. The next one is this blue foam. This is a blue foam. It's stuck to the top. Yes! Sorry, my mom's calling me. 1 second. Hang on. Okay, here's the foam. It doesn't have too much beads in it, but it has some beads. So is the foam. See if I can mush this one. No, I can't. It's not too sticky enough, but it's okay. Because some slimes don't need to be sticky. Okay. This one doesn't make quite poking noises, but makes some. So that's this blue one. Some of them I had to fix because they were sticky. So here's this very pink one. It's also foam. That's like a type of cereal that you would use. Okay, then we have this nice blue butter slime. She said it was a butter slime. Because it's kind of hard to stretch and stuff. I think it's just kind of old. That's kind of why, but I'm going to keep this. Last but not least, we also have another foam. It is a lighter pink, and it has a little bit more foam balls in it. Some of them are quite sticky. This one's not too sticky, but I think it's getting a little sticky. Which we kind of want so then the foam beads can stick to it, but not too sticky. So yeah. Okay, on to the next, which is kind of the bigger slime. We have 2 more slimes to go through. 2 more slimes. Now these I will be smishing. So now this one is a floam also. You can see some of the beads. And I call this one Hot Cheeto Slime because of the redness, I guess. Not with the dots. I just really like how it's red and stuff. Yeah, it's not too focused right now. Very, very crunchy. The last one I am going to be playing with a lot. It's like an actual ASMR, so be prepared for that. I don't know if this one I can really smush. Yeah, I can't really smush this one, but... Okay, that's that one. Last and the biggest that I have this whole slime collection. And don't worry, I'll keep on doing updated slime collections whenever I have more. So here it is. Actually, tomorrow I think I'm getting some glue, so yeah. I might get the gallon, so I might have a lot of glue. A lot of slime. So here's the slime. It's a very pretty pink. I don't know why on camera it's showing up a little darker. Let me kind of get it to the camera. Yeah, there you go. It's kind of like a very pretty hot pinky color. There we go. It's kind of watery. This is a fluffy slime. This one's very watery for some reason. Okay guys, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed these little slime ASMRs. So yeah, I hope you guys have a good day. Love you guys so much. All my social media will be down below. Love you guys. Peace.